Hello YouTube, welcome to my new video. In today's video I got a few photography tips for you on how I shoot my pictures, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Big shout out to Anna for helping me out on the shoot. She is an amazing model and she also has her own Instagram, and I wanted to say thank you again for the great shoot. I had a lot of fun, and let's get right into the video. And my first tip for you is, and it's very simple and easy to do, is to shoot through objects. For example, in this shot we shot through a gym machine. I was really happy with this picture because it also had leading lines. For example, on the right side you had like vertical lines, and in the next picture I also have the same concept where we have like this gym machine in the foreground. You can also see some green at the bottom. And what is also good about shooting with an object in the foreground is that you ask yourself, oh, what could this object be? Because usually in this case you don't really know, oh, is it a training machine? What is it? Like, it could also be somewhere in an industry area. Like, that's what photos making is all about. Like, it has to leave like the viewer thinking and asking himself a question. So always try to make your photos have also a bit of a story in them. And my next tip for you is, what I always figured out for myself is when I let the model like sit on the ground or like on a bench or on stairs, the model feels more comfortable because she doesn't have to worry about how should I stand, how should I pose. It's very casual. And you can also, when you put yourself like lower, like you're on the same eye level than your model, and it gives also the feeling of trust. And especially at the beginning of photo shoots, everything is kind of tense because you're just meeting a new person, and it's always good to start small. And yeah, my last tip for you is be spontaneous, especially on photo shoots, because from my experience, ideas come up while you shoot. Like for this photo shoot, this was at the end of the photo shoot and we were actually finished, but we saw this mirror and it was like nobody was there. So I asked Anna, can you please lean against the mirror for me, please? And she did. And this photo turned out to be one of our favorite photos that day. And always mix things up, use mirrors, use prisms, anything. Try to be spontaneous and open for new ideas. These were all my tips for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I could help you, inspire you with new photography ideas. You're more than welcome to subscribe to my channel. Of course, don't forget to ring the bell so you can see my videos also on your feed. Big thank you to Anna. It was amazing to shoot with you, and I'm really looking forward to do the next video. And you take care, have a great day, and of course, see you later.